Ting Ting's barking for some reason.
I know there was a noise over there.
There was, oh. That's Peyton, that's Pedro. Hi guys, it's me. We're doing another video at my house. And it's gonna be my dogs, try not to laugh, and Pokemon. Oh God. Hi Sokka. Hi Sokka.
I don't see anything though.
Ting, there must be a lizard.
No, I hear a noise too. And when there was a loud bang, his head like turned right away. Pick him up so I don't fall him.
Come here, Ting. Come here, Ting. Ting. Ting, Ting.
It's not a lizard.
Come here, Ting. Come here.
It's probably another dog.
Ow, ow.
No, I thought you said you were gonna put some shoes on.
Yeah, but then you go distressed.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Doesn't want to do it.
Okay, what we were doing this for, it wasn't to look at dogs. It was for Pokemon.
Look at dogs. Try not to laugh. Okay, we can do this video for 19 minutes. Bro. You did? You landed in poop. You seriously landed in poop?
Oh, yeah, on my hand.
Where?
Right there.
That's a leaf.
No, it's probably Nico's.
Where is it?
Earlier
Where is the poop?
I stepped in poop. Oh, she just pooped on me. I'm kidding.
A ball. Good.
It's right here. Coming from.
See, oh, wait, look, give me it.
Oh, it's dried.
Don't show them poop.
Ah!
Give me it. Give me the phone.
Wait. This is a turtle hole. And Ting Ting keeps wanting to go up. Ting Ting and Sokka can escape there. But Ting Ting keeps wanting to go there.
Wait, where's Ting?
Oh, she's shaking.
bushes.
Just okay, let him down. Let it down. What do you smell? Over the fence.
Where's Boo and Nico?
She's white. You could pick
Where's Boo and Nico?
do it over the fence. She might go through and try and go to the
If we lost them, post a comment if you... Oh, there's Boo, okay. See? There's
Ting
Boo.
Ting's over there.
Yeah, I see. I saw Ting.
Ting Ting's
Oh, there's Nico. Nico's still in there.
TT's camouflage. Ooh. Ooh. Come on, what you got? Come on. Tell them what you got. What was that? I got something good. Oh. Oh. Let's go. Oh. Finish him.
Finish him.
Oh.
Hey, Sokka.
What?
Finish him. Finish him.
Hey guys.
Wait,
Are we going in?
hold on.
Whoa.
Sokka.
Sokka.
Look at the camera, Sokka.
Let go.
Sokka kind of looks like a fox.
Hey, Sokka. Oh.
Yeah, let's go show Boo and Cece.
Oh. Help. It hurts. Oh. Oh, you kicked me. You hit me. It's Boo and his neck will have a turn. Help, tell you. Help.
Bamboo.
It bamboo. Don't touch bamboo.
It's really hairy.
It
And it
behind
burns.
dangerous.
It hard and dangerous. Kills resist. Lizard!
TT, why are you in the bamboo? TT. TT, on your marks. TT. Your marks. Wait, I gotta get him. I gotta get him down. On your marks. Go! Get set. You got it, Dakota. Go. Pedro. No, I can't get him to do it.
She was running with me.
Sokka used to run, but
JT,
she started running again.
on your mark. Get set.
They just want to make out.
Two dogs making out in their natural habitat.
Try not to laugh. She wants you to pick her up. Here. I don't know how. I won't.
On your marks. Get set. Go.
Come on, Tintin. Come on, T.
On your mark. Wait.
Come on, TT.
I got it. On your mark. Sit. Go. TT.
Ah!
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Run.
1 second. Run. Peyton, run fast. 1 second. Oh, shoot that. Finish line.
You're gonna let Sokka be better than you? You're gonna let Sokka be better than you? Huh?
Go, Pedro.
Huh?
Pedro, try not to laugh. Come on.
Okay, go.
Guys, let's do try not to laugh.
Come on, TT. Guys, we're about to do try not to laugh, but it starts now, but we're gonna try and get the dogs inside, and we're gonna do it inside, so go.
I'm gonna kick this ball. Oh! Check it out. I told them we're trying to get the dog in. I'm gonna kick the ball. Let's just go to
No pain, keep them out. Keep them out. Ooh. Here, let me try. Let me try something. Huh?
We gotta get them inside
Why?
so we can fight and do try not to laugh.
We can still do it. They're not over here. Hey, here.
Oh! Ting ting!
Got him. That ball sucky. Oh! Egypt.
We only have.
Where's Sokka? Oh. Sokka.
Yeet.
Sit.
Casey. Dakota, get it.
Dakota, over here. Sit in the chair. Dakota, sit in the chair.
Long. Ooh.
Go in the chair. Tap on it so it'll go.
Oh. My magic. I'm go for a walk.
Ah! Ah!
Ooh.
Squirrel. There ain't no squirrel. Squirrel. Roof. Squirrel. Okay, guys, 10 more minutes. We better get to try not to laugh.
Okay, come on.
Try not to laugh for 5 minutes, and then can we leave him out here?
No, Ting and Sokka will escape.
Okay, TT. Hold on. TT.
Sucker, go.
Soccer can stay. Boo. Nobody can escape. TT. TT. Come on.
Ting. Ting, ting, go.
I got this. Come on,
Come
Soccer.
here, Ting. Come on. Come on, Ting. Come here, Ting. Come on.
Okay, turn up the last challenge. Wait. And Nico was out here earlier, but I guess he's just tired now.
Yeah, come on. Let's go.
Okay. Now this is try not to laugh.
Well, we've been doing a little bit of trying to.
Okay. I'll go get my phone.
Why?
Try not to laugh.
Why are you getting your phone? Why? Why is he getting his phone? Well, Peyton, why is he getting his phone?
Try not to laugh.
Oh.
Come on.
Ow.
take a video of their video? No. This phony is trying to look up a video online so you guys can watch it. You can just do that yourself. So how